morning. So it is currently Thursday, June 13th. I got to New York like a week ago. So far, I'm loving it. Like, the weather here is so good, except today it's gonna rain, which is gonna be not very fun, having to walk around this city a lot. It's okay, because rain makes the world grow, isn't that right? First, I have to go run to my agency and get some new pictures for my book, and then I have a casting for Estee Lauder. And then I have to go to a test shoot, like just a photo shoot. I've gotten a few people have said like to do more like what I eat in a day videos, so I guess I'll do one of those. I'm gonna film like what I eat, you know, the drill. And as I mentioned in my previous video, first thing I do in the morning is start chugging water. For breakfast, we're gonna make a lovely bowl of oats. You're gonna get a scoop of oatmeal. I'm gonna pour some almond milk, just kind of like guessing the amount. I'm gonna get a banana and I'm gonna cut it in half and put half of it in the bowl and mash it up. And next, we're gonna get some peanut butter because I love peanut butter. We're just gonna get a big old scoop of that. Now we're gonna get some strawberries and slice them up. Get the other half of the banana and slice that up. And now for my favorite part, chocolate chips. I love chocolate chips so much. I always add them in my breakfast. We're just gonna get a nice little handful of chocolate chips and sprinkle those fellas on there. Dash some cinnamon and mix that baby up and you're good to go. Oh, and I forgot yesterday I found blueberries at the farmer's market, so I'm gonna add some of those in there. I've been having oats on most mornings, and it's a good way to start the day, man. I love oatmeal. It's raining. Now, the first stop on our list is the agency. So right now, we're gonna head there. Last minute casting.
Now off to the shoot.
Thank you. That's right. Look at my hair. So now I'm gonna head home and make some because that's a
Win.
And look at my shoe. My shoe's broken, so it sounds like that. I'm finally home. Let's get
Cooking.
First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 425. This is the only pan we have, so we're just gonna keep reusing it and then spray it with some oil to prevent stickage. Next, we're gonna spread all our vegetables out. Next comes olive oil. Drizzle a little bit of oil. That's a lot. Oops. Now some garlic. Black pepper. Paprika. And some good old seasoned salt. Mix all that up real good. Now we're gonna add some nuts. I found that roasting, when you roast nuts in the oven, it brings up the flavor so much and it tastes like so good. So I always like to add like nuts into my vegetables because extra fats, extra flavor, extra fun. Gonna pop that bad boy in the oven. While those are cooking, we're gonna make some eggs. Spray the pot. Add some frozen onions because it's convenient and cheap. Oops. And we're gonna saute the onions and then add some mushrooms. Then we're gonna crack an egg. And then we're gonna add some cheese because I love cheese. Flip it over. And a little more for good measure. And then we're gonna plate that fella. Burnt cheese, the best. Look at the size of this cucumber. It was like that big when I bought it. We're gonna cut some cucumber onto our plate. It's a butter knife, it's not gonna work. And we got some red pepper hummus. Now the veggies come out. Oh no. Nice and crispy. Oh, those are good. I did good. Now we got an avocado. Ooh. Scoop some avocado on the plate. Now we got some Target brand salsa. And we're just gonna put some salsa in our avocado, kind of like a little mini guacamole. Sometimes I like to add mustard just for dipping and stuff. It may not be pretty, but it sure is delicious. And so that's my dinner. Yeah, my food's weird sometimes. Like I eat some of the weird stuff and I don't really care because it's good. So now I'm gonna watch Parks and Rec and eat my dinner. And so finally, to end off the day, yesterday I found this, it's like Halo Top, but it's a different brand because it was cheaper, but it's like light ice cream. But it's really good actually. It's not quite as like thick as like regular ice cream, but it gets the job done. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna have some of this and call it a day. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see different kinds of videos. Like I don't even know what kind of videos to make. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna eat my ice cream and go to bed. Goodbye.